Good morning, everybody. Me and little Bubba again. Got my sidekick back with me today. We are fishing to go bass fishing. That's right. No fly rods today. No brimming. We're going after old Lord's head. So y'all come on with us, and we'll see y'all when we get out there. Yeah, knock them out there, Bubs. Knock them out. Boop. There we go, Bub. There we go, Bub. Yes, sir. I don't know if we're gonna get him in the boat, Bub. We're gonna get him in the boat, Bub. Yeah, we got him in here. Look at there, Bub Rowe.
How much do you think he weighs?
Ah, he might be a little over a pound. Pretty though, ain't he? Yes, sir. All right. We got one on the board. The other one took my daggum. Yeah, the other one took my dang jerk bait.
Would have been nice to have that 6 pounder in the boat.
Whoo, yeah.
There's Papa Joe's right there.
Yep.
We caught it right by Papa Joe's.
Sure did. That one that took my dang other jerk bait. He was big, buddy. Oh, he come off, Bubs. Oh, that was a big one. Dang, oh, man.
I gotta look at him.
Man, he come off, man.
I saw a shadow.
Yep, yep, he was a good one. Oh, look at that, Bubs. Look at that, Bubs. Number 2, baby. Number 2. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Number 2. Yeah. We got him, Bubba. We got him. We got him. Boy, them jokers are fat.
How much do you think he weighs?
Nah, he ain't that much. Pound or so. You got your pliers out?
No.
Okay. Let me get mine.
Well, yeah.
I can get mine. They're right here somewhere. They right here somewhere. There we go. Look at that, bub. Oh yeah, he's fat, little old Joe. Look at him. He's fat, ain't he? Man, yep. Number 2. I know. Yeah. So we showing the falls. Bless you. Little Bubba. Too hot, man. Done got hot, dude. Well, we caught 2 of them. Well, as you can see, me and little Bubba, we managed to get 2 in the boat, but I think we lost like 4 or 5. And then we had one giant come up and take one of our jerk baits up there, but we wanting to go back. I'm wanting to push further up the Kinchafoonee and mess around up there some more. There's some good bass up there this time of year, so I want to go up there and play around with them, but I'll be a little bit more prepared next time we go. But I was just up there having fun with him today, but just using a little old spinner rod, and I was throwing this little old bitty jerk bait that I had, and like I said, I had one taken away from me. So, but we threw that, and that's what we caught most of the fish on and lost most of the fish on. Now we did throw some square bills. He threw a spinner bait. Never got bit on a spinner bait, but anyway. But yeah, we had fun, and we're gonna go back up there probably next week before we do it. But we're gonna leave out early one morning. We're gonna go way up there, get just as far up there as I can go, and I think we can get into some good bass. But kind of missing my fly rod today, but he wanted for me to just fish for nothing but bass. He said, Pop, I want you to fish for bass. So that's what we did. So anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and if you would, hit that subscribe button and that like button, and we will see y'all on the next one. May God bless.